Howdy there. This is my Module 5 reflection for Tech 301. Alright, so question number 1. What were my 3 favorite websites that I examined? My 3 favorite ones were BrainPop, Atomic Learning, and the Discovery Education website. And see, BrainPop was a paid site, $230 for one teacher for 1 year. But it was so many helpful lessons on there. And there was videos and quizzes, and it helped explain a topic better than just a person up there with a whiteboard. And these are topics that you could have the students do on their own at home, and that part is important. It would be really helpful, and just a lot of options on that one. The other one that I liked was Atomic Learning, or whatever it's called now. They changed the name. It was really helpful. Lots of people don't know how to do things like that, like Word, just Word or PowerPoint, or all those other Microsoft applications. And this is a way for them to learn how to do it without admitting that they don't know how to do it. And that part's really important because people don't like to be wrong, and they don't like to admit failure. This is a way for them to get around that and still learn what they need to know. It's a really cool idea, and I'm so glad that it's a thing. So, okay, the third website was Discovery, and it was also a paid site, but I couldn't find a price. Like, I kind of lied a bit to get through the whole making a what's it called? Making an account on their website. I kind of lied a bit to get through, so I was just trying to find a price, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I thought that was not good of them. They should have the price pretty accessible. But it was really nice though, and once I got through it, there were so many helpful things on there. Their textbook itself was worth it, right? It had multiple features to keep students active, like activities and stuff that they have to go through to move on. And that will keep students active. That'll keep students' brains from, atrophying and not working. I think the paid sites were really well taken care of, and I don't like paying for stuff if I don't have to, but I would possibly do BrainPop or Kia. I like that one as well. Kia was $99 or less per teacher, and I already said how BrainPop was $230 for one teacher for 1 year. And I didn't see any of the other ones that were paid. Maybe they were, I just didn't see it. I looked though, and I thought that they were worth it. They're nice. Okay, so question number 2. Describe my experience. Kia was fun, like a lot of fun. I played my games a couple times just to make sure that everything was working well, and I just appreciate how smooth it worked. I think that for middle schoolers and younger, those activities would be perfect. They give them a fun thing to do to learn the things that they're supposed to be learning. And as a former, middle schooler and elementary schooler, those were fun. I really enjoyed them. There's also quizzes and surveys on there, which is really nice because then you can do a survey to see where your students are at. You can just ask them and then see the answers that they give. And the quiz is also nice because then you don't have to do it like on paper and waste paper. It's a good website. I like it. So question number 3. After searching the OER repositories. Okay, I think that there are a lot of good things on the OER websites that we were given to look through. They give students and teachers a free place to look for help, and they explain it really, like most of the stuff I found, they explained it really well. I appreciated it. I looked specifically at the math portion because I'm going to be a math teacher, and most of it I saw was very good. And if there was a specific topic that you needed, there was a search bar. Just search for, I just looked through a bit, but one of the topics I searched for was 45, 45, 90 triangles and the relation between the sides. And there was a lot of stuff on that. There was like multiple articles about that one topic. And that's really helpful because then if one of them doesn't explain it well enough, you can move on to another one. And I just really like the OER websites. They're free. They're free, and they give good information, and that's the important part.